Week one wrap up. Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the first week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered 1/8 of the class, or the equivalent of 2 weeks worth of work. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. Here's a sample of that for week one. A few reminders are in order. The Cultural Geography News discussion number 1 is due tonight, Friday, June 22nd by 11:59 p.m. The Cultural Geography Special Topic number 1 is due tomorrow, Saturday, June 23rd by 11:59 p.m. Make sure that you're clear that these are two different discussions. Please make sure and read the details for each of the assignments. Make sure and read the assigned chapters in your textbook as well, and as make sure and review the PowerPoint lectures. I have included an instructional video for each of the lectures. The videos are from the 11th edition of the textbook, but they still work. Some of the page numbers may not match based on the edition or the versions of the textbooks you have. That is, the digital, loose leaf, hardcover, etc. If that's the case, go by the chapter topics we are studying. There are also study guides for each of the chapters. Think of these as a summary of each chapter, as it will be narrated by the instructor in a face-to-face class. While most of you have introduced yourself in an icebreaker, some of you still have not done so. You were supposed to have introduced yourself by Wednesday night. If you are one of those students, please submit your introduction as soon as possible. On the same subject, 4 students have not yet logged into the course. In an online course, that means you did not show up for class on the first day of classes, which by school policy is grounds for the instructor to drop you from the course. If those 4 students have not logged into the course by the drop deadline, Monday, June 25th, they will be dropped from the course. I may send an email reminding those students, but you have been warned via this announcement, and it is still responsibility to drop the course if you have lost interest. On Sunday, I will be sending an announcement telling you what is happening on week 2. Have a nice weekend. Best, Samuel Cortez.